forgot all the stitches that I've blurred on my head. You were just another one, accepted and complained. From my bench, now I see that I have to go ahead. Just leave it out to the nonsense you be living in. This memory leaves the ground to mystery, lifted up in one harmony. Sum it up to ecstasy. Drum it up well. Yes, I'll rise. I'll rise. Oh, I'll rise. This is the end of getting our hopes together so tight. I'm sorry, friends, for what I have done to you when I left. Yesterday you meant all to me, and you were the reason I began. It's time for me to say I'm sorry, and I really know I have to let go.